Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Charge 6 and I'm gonna show you how to set or set up the alarm clock on this watch, or rather smartband. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the watch face, the current home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to scroll through the list of shortcuts, and one of them should be called alarms. Once you find the alarms, tap on it, and now we can set the time on which the alarm we want to set up should go off. And you can swipe up and down to set the hour, tap on it, then the minutes, tap on them, and you will see the message alarm set. It will bring you to this page, and here you can customize your alarm a bit further. We can turn it on or off, we can tap on repeats, and here we can select on which days the alarm should repeat, and you have options like one time, every day, Monday, Tuesday, and if you want to, you can select basically specific days, for example Monday and Tuesday. And when you swipe right on the screen, you will see that the alarm will repeat every Monday and Tuesday. Okay, we can also enable the smart wake option by swiping down and tapping on OK, and once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen and you will see on the shortcuts menu that under the alarms you will see your alarm. You can also add another one by swiping up, tapping on new alarm like this, and now as you can see we have multiple alarms. You can edit the alarms also by tapping on one like that, and you can also remove the alarms by tapping on the remove button and yes, like this. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.